Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on TextSplit function in Excel with several examples. So what is this TextSplit function? So how it is useful? So this function, as its name implies, it splits the string as per the given delimiters into different columns or different rows. Okay. This function is available since 2024 version, Office 2024 version, okay, and then in latest Microsoft 365. So we cannot see this function in earlier versions, okay. Now I collected some of the examples with different scenarios. So now we can see all these by using this TextSplit function, okay. So first we can see the syntax. TextSplit. So here it is first taking text and column delimiter, and remaining are not mandatory. Row delimiter, ignore empty, all these things are not mandatory. So whenever in the function you find arguments within square brackets, that means these are not mandatory. So in this function only two mandatory are text and column delimiter. Okay. Now we can see first example. So here you can see name of the person, first name and last name, and you can see age. So I am selecting this text. So I am pasting it here in the one single column in A1. A1 I am placing this entire text. So here we can see first name, last name, and age. I want to split this into three different columns. For that I am using text split. Okay. So first it is asking text. I am selecting the text. Next it is asking delimiter. So this is the comma is the delimiter. You can specify the delimiter within double quotes, and you can see all these three values in the single text are split into three different columns. Okay. So what happened before this text split are not available in the Excel? So in earlier versions, we don't find this text split function. We can use one function called text to columns. You can see text to columns under data tab. You can see text to columns. So select your text, click on the text to columns. So here we have two options, delimited and fixed width. So we want to delimited. So here you can see preview of your selected data. Next. So here we can find delimiters. So our delimiter is here, comma. Select this comma and just finish. So you can find the text will be split into three different columns. So this happened before text split function is available. Okay. Now we will see second example. So what is the second example? So here we have three columns. Now here we have four columns. Okay, but delimiter is here hyphen. So here I am taking text split. Okay, select the text, comma, and mention delimiter as hyphen. You can see. So this is the ID, this is the first name, last name, and salary. Okay. Now this is the second example. Third one. So it is nothing but email address. So I want to split this email address into username and domain name. So ravi.kumar is the username, gmail.com is the domain name. So in Excel we have text functions called left, mid, find, or search. You can use all these functions to split the text into email into username. Okay. But in this scenario we can use text split function very easily. Text split. Okay. So I'm selecting the text as email, just put the comma. So here I am taking at the rate. At the rate is the delimiter. Okay. Now you can see this is email, this is username, and this is the domain name. Okay, it is split into username and domain. Date format. Okay, I am selecting the date here. Okay, suppose here I am taking so first one as date. Okay, second one as month and year. So my date is here 14, and this is not a date format actually. So when it is adjusted in the uh, left, it is a text format. Okay, so here I want to split this one into day, month, and year using TextSplit. TextSplit. Okay, select the text. So here, what is the delimiter? Backslash. Now you can see this is day, month, and year. Okay. So by this way, we can split the text into by using text delimiter. Okay, we will see some more examples. So in this example, we have more than one delimiter. So far we can see single delimiter in the text. So here you can see more than one delimiter. For ID and first name it is comma, and first name and last name it is hyphen, and again lastly it is comma. So this is multiple delimiters, more than one delimiter in single text. So I am pasting here not one hyphen, one not one comma, first name hyphen Jones comma salary. This is the text. This text contains more than one delimiter. So this time, how can we separate? Text split. So first select the text, comma. Next you can select first delimiter as comma. Close the bracket. You can see 101, and this name has not been split. So it is showing as a single name. Okay. But here this first name, it is last name. So I want to split that one also. So at the time you can write differently. Text split. Select the text, comma. So you can notepad curly braces. Okay. In the curly braces, first you can select comma, and then you can select hyphen, because in the name column first name and last name is separated with hyphen. Close the curly braces and close the braces. You can see everything is separated. So when you use the directly text split with the comma delimiter, this first name and last name is not splitted. They will adjusted in the single cell. But if you want to split first and last name also, you can use curly braces and mention all your delimiters so that it can split accordingly. Okay. Next function. So before that, vertical split. So these are the skills of the one employee. Different skills are there one employee here. So I am selecting these skills here, or I am typing here SQL, comma, Excel, comma, Power BI, comma, ADF. So these one employee has these many skills. So This time I want to display these in vertically. So if you apply here text split function with column delimiter, we already seen, select the text, comma, and here you can select this one. So it is split. But here I want to split this in vertically. Vertically means you can use text split. Okay. Select the text. Select the text. Okay. Next, comma. So this is comma delimiter, column delimiter. I am not using column delimiter. Just put the comma and mention row delimiter. Row delimiter I am taking here as comma. So I am not giving the column delimiter. I am giving the row delimiter. Now you can see all these four skills are separated with four different rows. Okay. So by this way you can split the data. Vertically you can split the data. Okay. Next. So this is we can see. So how can we split this entire data into rows and columns? If you observe the data here, so ID, name and salary, this is one record. ID, name and salary, one record. And here also you can see ID, name and salary, this is one more record. And this is a third record. So each record is separated with semicolon. And within the record, the values are separated with delimiter, comma. Okay. Observe, these are the three different records. Okay. Now I want to split all these data into rows and columns. How to split this data into rows and columns? Not one comma. So Ravi, and here salary. Okay. Semicolon. Okay. Next take second record. 102. Some name I am giving. This is the second record. Colon again. Okay. I am inserting third record. See, you can see in the formula bar. So this is the first record, up to this one first record, and 102 is the second record, and 103 is the second record. So each record separated with columns, semicolon, and within the record each value is separated with comma. Okay. I want to split into rows and columns. Okay. So here we can write text split function like this. Text split I am using here equal to text split. Select the text. Okay. And here first you need to put the comma and take the column delimiter as comma. Column delimiter as comma. And here again put the comma, and row delimiter you can select semicolon. Row delimiter as semicolon. Enter. You can see. So 101 record is separated, 102 record is separated, and 103 is record separated. So these are the rows and columns by using TextSplit. So here you can give both row delimiter. So column delimiter as comma, row delimiter as semicolon. TextSplit to split the data into rows and columns. Okay. Now finally, ignore empty values. Okay. Text Ravi, and here some empty values are there. After Ravi, one empty value is there, and this is city name. After city name, two empty values are there. Two empty values. Okay. Three. I mentioned three. Next we can give 50,000 salary. Okay. Now some empty values are there within the string in the text. Now I want to separate it. equal to text split. So text comma, selecting the text comma, so column delimiter, just put the comma, comma row delimiter, comma, comma, the empty cells, true. Now you can see it is split. It is split into 3 different columns. True. And now it is vertically it is split. So earlier we have horizontally, now it is vertically. Okay. So when there is empty cells are there, you can give true. True, it will ignore the empty cells in the cell values. Okay. So by this way, you can use TextSplit function. So which is very important function, which is very easy to handle. As per the requirement, you can split the your text in the Excel. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.